In real-world scenarios, the data streams comes from diverse sources, some structured, others unstructured, and often without common identifiers. Streaming connectors solve this challenge by pulling and unifying data from sources like CRM, ERP, IoT devices. Since data IDs are never identical for different data types, ensuring accurate mapping every time is the challenge easily resolved by the Flex83. The platform allows you to explore many integration connectors for various data sources and external systems. Once your data is ingested, Flex83's powerful data pipeline orchestration kicks in. Our built-in AI-driven data cleaning engine removes duplicates, finds and fixes missing values to validate and transform your data into high-quality, actionable information. Further, its ML-powered feature engineering allows you to reduce redundancy and improve data usefulness, making it easier to analyze data that initially had different scales or units for better modeling. The processed data is then securely stored in an organized, scalable data lake, ready for swift access through pre-built or custom queries for advanced analysis. Don't want your team to write a query every time? Just ask the inbuilt AI Genie, for instance, "What is my best performing asset type?" And let the AI agent write the custom query and provide the insights to you. For external integrations, the platform supports API key management. Simply create your API credentials, for example, demo API key, and use these keys for all external system integrations. Here, the integrated Swagger interface details out the APIs for the data catalog backend service, allowing precise authorization and streamlined API interactions. Further, a robust data pipeline orchestrator simplifies complex data operations, effortlessly coordinate and automate sophisticated workflows, including DAGs, Spark jobs, and essential data processing tasks. Finally, the platform brings your insights to life through custom dashboarding for analytics, accounts list, finance, and more. The asset lineage offers a visual representation of the path data takes as it flows through your organizational systems and processes. The console section provides comprehensive user management, role management, and permission controls. You can create custom roles and leverage our extensive permission system. The platform includes over 200 granular permissions, ensuring precise access control for your enterprise requirements. In summary, Flex83 streamlines the complexity of your data orchestration, from ingestion and processing through advanced analysis to intuitive visualization. With Flex83, you're equipped to harness the full potential of your data from IoT, business, or any system efficiently and effectively.